Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to take care of your skin during the summer, and it's really getting very hot, and we are sweating like crazy, and it's also scientifically proved that your skin gets drier in the summer than in autumn or the winter. I never knew that, but yes, it does. Because why it does, because the sun rays is so strong in your skin that it dries out your skin very terribly. And also the second point is, like, we sweat a lot, so we keep touching our face, so all the moist from our face dries out. So that's why your skin really dries out. So it's very important to take care of your skin during the summer. So I'll give you a few tips how you can take care of your skin during the summer. So the first tip is applying a sunscreen lotion, which is very, very, very important. Not for 1 minute or 2 minutes before you go out. That's a big no, absolutely no, because that's going to have no effect on your skin, and it takes time to active. Because when you apply sunscreen lotion at least 20 or 30 minutes before, it makes a lot of difference, because it absorbs very well into your skin and is active and is ready when you're going out in the sun. So it's very important to apply 30 minutes or 20 minutes before, not 2 minutes or 3 minutes before. That's very, very, very bad. So it has no effect. The second point is, sunglasses are very important. So use sunglasses when you're going out. It makes you look cool, and also it protects your eyes from the sun rays, and it's very important to wear sunglasses. And you should also wear sunglasses which has UV ray, so that sunglasses are the best for the sun. So you should buy that sunglasses. And the third one is wearing a scarf. So you should wear a scarf in your hair to protect your hair from the summer. And you can wear a scarf this way, and so your hair is protected from the sun and you look cute and cool. So this way you can do it. So all my hair is inside, and this feels the best. And you can pin it up, and you can go out in the sun, and that's the best for your hair. And also it protects your skin. So it's very important to wear a sun scarf or a dupatta, whichever you have. So it's very important. And when you go out and you come back home, it's very important to splash your face with the cold water, or apply a rose water, and you can take ice cubes and just pat it in your face, and that's very good, refreshing for your skin. You can do that. And a fourth point is, you can take a cucumber juice, how I've taken, and I've added a rose water into it. And this is my bottle of the spray, which I've recycled it. This was a rose water only. I used to love it, so I've recycled it, and I've put cucumber juice into it and rose water. And this is a good face mist for your face. And you can refrigerate for about 2 or 3 days, and you can mist it in your face like this. You can spray it like that. It's very cooling. It's damn cooling. So you can do that. And the fifth point is, aloe vera gel is my best friend throughout the year. I love it, and in the summer it works like a miracle. So you can take aloe vera gel fresh, or you can take Patanjali, whichever aloe vera gel you have. And I prefer fresh, so you can cut the sides and remove the gel from inside. And you can take a cube of the aloe vera gel and apply it, the gel, apply it in your face. And that's a very good cooling and smoothing for your face. And it's also, you can use it as a face pack. Is the best aloe vera gel, so you can use that as a face pack. It works very good as in the summers, and you can do that. And drink plenty of water. Hydrate yourself very well in the summer. Drink plenty of water. Have lots of fruit juices, and change your lifestyle. If your lifestyle is different during the winter, change it, because in the summer you should take very cold food, and very more of juicy, more of water. More of water intake is very important. And don't have a lot of spicy food, because that's very bad for your skin. And so you take care what you're eating, and eat lots of green vegetables during the summer, and take cool, make your lifestyle or your eating habits more cooler and more juicier. So you should take a lot of carrot juice. Coconut water is very good for the summer and for your skin. So you can take that, and water, you should take a lot of water. I always repeat this because this is very important, not only in the summer but throughout the year. Water is very important. It plays important role in your lifestyle, in your skin and everything. So water is very necessary, and I'm sure this video is going to be useful for you all. And thanks for tuning in into my channel. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the like button. And I want to wish all the women a very, very happy Women's Day. I'm so proud to be a woman, and I'm sure you all are very proud to be a woman. And women are rocking these days, and I'm sure we are going to rule this world very soon. So I'm really glad to be a woman. Thanks to God to making me a woman. So guys, take care of yourself and do whatever you love to do, and keep yourself very happy. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye friends.